So guys, today I'm going to do a unicorn shade palette. So I have our refillable palette right here. What shades have I chosen? I have got Gentle, which is this gorgeous colour. A more pinky rose is Slick. And then we have Ambiguous. And then we have Trustin'. This is my unicorn created palette. So here I'm spritzing the brush with our unique Royalty Rose Water for a more intense shade. So now I'm applying Gentle all over my eyelid, the crease of my eye, around my brow bone, because it's a beautiful base colour but with a really lovely metallic. Okay, so the next shade I'm going to apply is Ambiguous. This is such a gorgeous colour, and this is going to go in the crease of my eye, rocking backwards and forwards with the crease brush. As you can see here, I'm now also putting it into the outer corner of my eyelid, just to add that little bit of definition. So quickly picking up my blending brush, make sure I smooth out any harsh lines. Now I'm going to apply Trustin' on the inner corner of my eye and my lower lash line. Finally, we have Slick. This is one of my favourite colours, just to go over the top of the eyelid. Now I'm going to just do my brows with our brow palette. This is my most favourite product ever. It just gives my brows a little bit more definition. The wax in the palette keeps them tame. It's just my favourite product ever. I absolutely love this brow palette. It has the highlighter, it has the wax, it has the colour to make your eyebrows darker. It's everything you need in a brow palette. I would highly recommend, if you're going to treat yourself to this brow palette, is get the brow artist brush to go with it, because it's so precise that it can define your brows perfectly. So here I am setting my brows with the wax. I find that it lasts all day once you've done this. Now I'm going to use the Dip and Draw liquid eyeliner. This is amazing. It lasts all day, it's smudge proof, and it's super precise and easy to apply. And now it's time to finish the look off with the one and only unique Moodstruck Epic Mascara. This is my most favourite mascara. It just gives you really long, curled black lashes. They are stunning once I'm finished. So finally I'm going to finish this look off with our splash, and it is exactly that, a splash of colour, and I'm applying it with a lip brush just to make it more precise and more definition. So I'm going to finish this look off with how I started, and that is a spritz of rose water just to set the makeup and hydrate my skin. Lastly, I have to show you this amazing fragrance. Yours and Only Yours, Me, is the name of it, and it smells amazing. So I'm going to finish my look off with this product right here. Thank you so much for watching. For more information on the products that I used today, please have a look at the description below, or pop over to my website www.sassylashdolls.co.uk. And don't forget, if you liked what you saw today and you want to see some more tutorials, then pop over to my YouTube channel, The Life of the Sassy Lash Doll. You will find lots of tutorials for makeup, skincare, what it's like to run a business with 3 children, and so much more. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.